Hey guys, welcome back. So today is a great day for us. I made 1.5% returns today just on public portfolio. So as you can see, we got $641, which is not great, but which is good. I'm happy about that. And also, let's review all the other portfolios that we have. Let's start with this one. So what drives this portfolio to reach 1.41% return today? So as you can see, there are a couple of stocks that got picked up, which is Walmart, Nike. Nike got 1.1% return, Walmart got 2% return, Uber got 3% return, and Salesforce got 4% return, almost close to 4%, and Space Stock, which is Virgin Atlantic, which is got like 4% return, and Honest got 6% return. So I believe we are going on upwards right now, so which is great. So as I told you in my previous video, I bought Uber, I bought Salesforce, I bought Meta, and I bought Nike. So all the four stocks I bought, all the five stocks I bought are doing great for this week. Hopefully they will do great for the rest of this couple of months. So I'm gonna keep these stocks for long term purpose. So I'm not gonna worry about them anymore. So which is good. So yeah, these are the stocks that drive to 1.42% today, just for today. Let's review other portfolios that we have. So Fidelity, which is retirement account, this one also got 1.5% return, which is really great. So I started this portfolio within this month. So I, if you see, I bought only in November 20th. So from November 20th till the date, I got like 2.59% return, which is not bad, which is great. I'm very proud of this. So these are the stocks I bought: Meta, O Reality, Kava, Uber, MicroStrategy, Nike, Elf, T-Mobiles, Fubo. The only stocks that are in downtrend in this portfolio, only Fubo. Meta, it's not a big deal. Meta is not that down. If you see the total gains, so the Meta, we lost maybe what, 39 cents, which is not a big deal. So, and the Fubo I lost like 8% return. I lost almost $8, which is not bad. So I only invested $100 into Fubo, so I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to keep buying Fubo coming weeks. So maybe this Friday I'm going to buy some. Until that, I want the stock to go down so I can buy more. So it's like a Black Friday for me if the stock is going down for me. So yeah, that's all I have for this portfolio, which is doing great. So today we went almost 1.56%. So I believe this portfolio, just this portfolio alone, will reach 15,000 by end of December. Hoping that's my goal, to make this portfolio to reach $15,000 by end of December. And this portfolio, which is the public portfolio, my goal is to make sure this portfolio should reach $50,000 by end of December. That is my goal. Let's see whether I'm going to reach my goal or not. So let's see Indian portfolio. The Indian portfolio, I lost some $50. I lost almost 1%, close to, not. So if you see this portfolio, it's going down every week. So if you see the 6 months, it's like it's like going up and down, up and down, up and down. On average, it's consistently staying at 5,200, and right now it's going down to 5,000 because of this the rupee depreciation. Right now, 1 USD equal to 90 rupees. So due to that, stock market is not seeing in a positive way. So that's the reason it's going down. But the stocks I hold, they are really great stocks. I'm seeing them in a long term. I'm seeing for next 5 to 10 years. So maybe these are going down for like a couple of weeks, but not for the whole month. If we see the total gain, I have an average return of 45 to 50% return for all the stocks. If you see, there are only three stocks that are not giving me any return, which is Adani Green and HDFC and rights I got talking about rights, I only got like 40% return, but the stock went down for a couple of from last couple of months. So I'm not going to worry about that, but I'm seeing a great future for this stock. So I want to buy, but I couldn't able to buy, or I couldn't able to invest any amount into this market because due to some paperwork, and I was investing in my mom account, but until now I couldn't able to invest in this account, so I couldn't able to sell off. I was doing the paperwork for this account to get reactive. So once I got this account reactive, then I'm gonna sell off some stocks and I'm gonna buy some new stocks. Until now I don't have any update for this portfolio. But coming back to the public portfolio, so as I as I mentioned yesterday, I bought Meta, I bought O Reality yesterday, I bought MicroStrategy yesterday, I bought Kava yesterday. Let's talk about Kava. Kava is going up from last couple of days. If you see, from last 5 days it went almost 12% return. It gave almost 12% return. So as I mentioned, this stock is going to be double within next 6 months. So that's what I'm seeing future for Kava. So I believe this stock is going to reach $90 within next 3 months. So hope you see what I'm trying to say, what I'm seeing for this stock. So yeah, that's all I have for Kava. But Kava is a really good business, guys, and a lot of people sold the stock because they are using tax loss in harvesting. So when the stock is going down, people usually sell the stock and rebuy the stock. So they try to book some losses to uh, so for example, they have two stocks. One is Nvidia, the other one is Kava. So if Nvidia is going up, they want to book the profits. So when they book the profits, they have to show some losses. If they don't show some losses, they have to pay taxes. So in that case, people sell Kava to write off these gains in Nvidia, and they can write off the taxes. So that is how people do things in stock market. So that's the reason. But this stock is really good. So this should be like $10 billion company, but not $6 billion company. And so the revenue is also going up. If you see, 19, it's growing year on year, 19 to 20% every year. If the company is growing 19 to 20% every year, which is really great. Regarding the net income, profit margins maybe go down because they're adding a lot of stores. So that's the reason the net profit margin may be down. But this stock is really good stock, guys. And yeah, this is what I have for today for the Kava and about the portfolios. But I want to tell a couple of things other than this portfolio. So how I build this portfolio, I know. So it took me a while, guys. It's not just like that. It took me almost 1 year. So if you see this account, I started investing in 2023 on January. I didn't started with 34,000. I started with 1,000. I started with 500. I started with 200. I keep buying the stocks. I keep buying the stocks. I keep investing into the markets. So from 2023 January 2025 December, it's almost 2 years. It took me 2 years to build this portfolio. That means on average I was saving around $25,000 per year, maybe 22, something like that, or 20. So it took me a lot of dedication, a lot of determination to bring this portfolio to as it today. So what are the things I followed? So how to budget, right? So these are the things I used to do. I found this picture from Google, but this is a really good picture to explain. So 50% should go to for your needs, 30% should go for wants, 20% should invest. This is what I did. I just consistently invested my 20% of my money into market. That's why I got this portfolio today. So hope you do the same. Just don't change these numbers. You will have the same portfolio what I have today. So make sure these two can fluctuate, but this should not get fluctuate, never ever. You should invest your 20% of your paycheck into the market. If you know about stock market, do invest in stock market. If you don't know anything about stocks, just invest into mutual funds or ETFs. They do great job. The people who are working for ETFs are literally managers. They know in and out. They work 9 to 5 a whole day to understand the market, to find the best stocks which can give you the potential returns. So just follow those people and invest your money into ETFs. Don't If you don't know about stock market, try to learn about the market, try to understand the market. Don't gamble your money into the market. Okay. I came from a place where I started with gambling. Like I used to follow people and I used to buy the stocks. Then I learned the fundamentals. Then I learned the technicals. Then I started understanding the company. Now here I am. Now I got 31% return. And now the max I got is 40% return. Year on year, I was beating S&P 500. I want to keep this streak for next couple of years. Hopefully for whole my life. But whatever I can. And the second thing I followed is the rule of building wealth. Live below your means. It is very easy to say, but it's not simple. Okay, invest early. So that's what I was doing. I'm currently 27 years old. This is my portfolio. I started very early. So if you do, you'll make good money. So please start early so you will never regret in future. So that's all I have for today. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.